Lawmakers from Northeast Wisconsin are reacting to the Supreme Court's ruling tonight. While this seems like a victory for Democrats right now, what does it mean for the November elections? Cassandra Duvall continues our live team coverage.
Casey, this landmark decision has people around the country buzzing, and depending on what side of the aisle lawmakers find themselves on will depend how they're taking this decision.
Health care is no longer a privilege, it's a right.
It's now in the hands of Congress, and it's in the hands of the American people.
Two different reactions for two political parties. Senator Ron Johnson says today's decision takes away the individual choice and says his party will work to repeal.
Putting this country back on a path of an opportunity society with people, individuals being in control, not the government.
But former Democratic Congressman Dr. Steve Kagan says this is a milestone for physicians, but also for all Americans, saying discriminations against pre-existing conditions are gone.
We applied our civil rights that protect us against discrimination, not just at the lunch counter, but now at the pharmacy counter.
But the ruling doesn't mean everything is set in stone.
That doesn't mean it's perfect. It means elected officials can now figure out what they want to do.
What about November elections? Political analyst Michael Kraft believes to overturn the law would be difficult. It would hinge on big wins for Republicans in the House, the Senate, and the White House.
I think it would be very nearly impossible for Mitt Romney to substantially change the Affordable Care Act, given the way the U.S. political system works.
Kraft says this ruling is extremely important and is unlikely to go away.
It will be a point of political division for a long time to come.
And House Republicans will schedule a vote on replacing the health law for July 11th. It seems the debate around this ruling isn't over quite yet. Cassandra Duvall, NBC 26.